In today's lecture, we will talk about how to create a Windows machine in AWS. So I'm going to EC2. EC2, as you know, it is known as Elastic Compute Cloud. We will be creating instances here, and today we are going to create a Windows instance. So I'm clicking on Launch Instance. I will choose an AMI. Which AMI I will choose? I will choose Windows AMI. I'm choosing Windows Server 2016. I'll click on Select. I'll choose my instance type, that is this T2 micro instance with 1 CPU 1 GB RAM. Click on Configure Instance Details. Now I'll not select anything here as of now, nothing. I'll go to add storage. So by default it is giving you a storage of 30 GB, and you can see 30 GB of EBS general purpose SSD or magnetic storage is free with this account by default. I'll go to next add tags. I'll assign a name, click on add a name tag, and I'm specifying here it is Windows Server 2016. Click on configure security group. Because this is a Windows instance, port number 3389 for RDP is allowed by default. If I'll click on add rule, let's suppose I'm launching a IIS server on top of this Windows instance, I have to add port number 80 here. If I'm not, I will leave it as it is. So I've specified port number 80. I'll click on review and launch. I will click on launch. So in case of Windows instance, I can choose a key pair. So you can see I am having so many keys here. I am taking this key which is known as IntelliFlex. Using this key I will create a password for my Windows instance. I'll click on I acknowledge I have access to the key. I'll click on launch instance. Launching a Windows instance can take few minutes. So I'll come back. So you can see Windows instance is running now. I would like to enter into this instance, so I will go to actions. I will go to get Windows password, and now I need to load this key and I will decrypt my password. Now username for entering into the Windows machine is going to be the administrator, and the password we will decrypt out of the key. So I'll go to browse. I'll go to downloads. I will take this key which is known as IntelliFlex.pem, double click on this, it is here. I'll click on decrypt password. This is my password. I will copy it, press Windows R, I will type here notepad, I'll paste my password here, click on close. I'm having a password now. I will take my Windows public IP which is a dynamic IP. I'll click on Windows R. I will type here MSTSC, Microsoft Terminal Session Control. I will paste my public IP here, click on connect. Now the username in case of Windows is going to be administrator, and the password which we have just copied here, and this is that password. I'll copy, I'll paste it here, click on OK, click on yes. And you can see that we have entered into Windows Server 2016. So this is Windows 2016 server. That's it for this video.